Who is an alien? Exam number 2. Find the number 48. If you got the first 2 exams correct, double tap the screen to lock in. Exam number 3. Hold down the comment button and pick a unique emoji. If you picked the sad emoji, you have failed this exam. Do you know when you follow me, my profile picture starts dancing? Exam number 4. Click the app that shows up when you click share, then more. If it was the messaging app, you are eliminated. Okay, final exam. Only 4% of people can get this right. What is the number in this picture? Post your answer in the comments and follow me for more fun quizzes like this.